Rachel was a little girl who loved ladybugs. She thought they were the cutest little creatures with their bright red shells and black spots. One day in January, while playing in the garden, Rachel noticed a ladybug on a leaf. The ladybug laid several small yellow eggs. After a few days, the eggs hatched and small larvae emerged. The larvae were small, cruel, and orange with black heads. They soon formed into pale green pupae. A few days later, the pupae hatched and new baby ladybugs emerged. Rachel was happy to have witnessed the full life cycle of the ladybug. She was thrilled to have been given such a special gift. This experience on January 28th inspired Rachel to advocate for recognizing it as National Gift of the Ladybug Day. Ladybugs, also known as lady beetles, are beneficial insects that feed on harmful aphids and scale insects. In the early 1900s, farmers imported Australian ladybugs to help control insect pests that were damaging their crops. The ladybug became so effective in controlling pests that was seen as a gift to farmers and gardeners. National Gift of the Ladybug Day celebrates these special gifts from nature. Ladybugs help control destructive insect populations in gardens and farms, which in turn helps ensure healthy plants and good harvests. They are like natural pest control agents protecting our environment. On this day, people raise awareness about the important role ladybugs play as natural pest controllers. Schools, community centers, and nature organizations host educational events teaching children and adults about the ladybug life cycle and their benefits. Many people make crafts like origami ladybugs or collages to spread knowledge in a fun, creative way. Some people celebrate by buying ladybugs to release in their own gardens. As ladybugs are seen as symbols of good luck, releasing them on your property is thought to bring fortune and prosperity. Releasing ladybugs on National Gift of the Ladybug Day is a symbolic way to give back to these helpful little creatures that do so much for us. Whether through crafts, education, or directly releasing these lucky beetles, National Gift of the Ladybug Day is a time to spread appreciation for one of the nature's most beneficial gifts. By honoring the ladybug, we ensure that these essential natural pest controllers and the important balance they bring to the environment will continue for generations. January 28th is National Gift of the Ladybug Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Gift of the Ladybug Day. Cheers!